Today, I'm building a mini kicker ramp. Here's why. I've always wanted a jump that was portable, and a mini kicker ramp works the best. First, the planning part. I built a small model of a kicker ramp so we could visualize what the ramp would look like. So we decided it would be 5 feet long, 2.5 feet wide, and 1.5 feet tall. Now it's time to cut some wood. For the sides, we're using plywood for strength. And for the beams, we're using 2x3s to save weight. Now it's time to test it. My first attempt sent me into a nosedive. This was a successful project, but we made the lip way too steep, so it literally kicks you into the air. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.